Sinura Wahalathanthri, and I'm here with my 11th video from the eShop web development series. So, in my previous video, we talked about the user profile page. And I promised that we will be talking about the updating part in this video. So, let's check what should we do and what is the process is gonna be like. So, we talked about this design in the previous video. So, what happens in this page is, when you click these input fields and enter another input as a text, the text will be saved in the database and the things that you add will be saved for the other page also. So let's check what should we do here. So when you click address line 1, you can add your address. So when I will give my address like this, and when you give your address, you will be going to the province and the district, select the tags. So when you click on them, you will be getting these provinces that I have entered in my database. And when I click on one province, I will give as Western and give a district. So this district are even there in my database. So I will give Colombo, and for the city, I will give Colombo also. So for the postal code, I will give my postal code, and you can't change this gender. So we talked about this in the previous video. And when you go and update my profile, they will ask an alert as, are you sure you don't want to update profile image? So I'll give OK. And after you give that, you will be giving an alert like this. You have not selected any image. So after you give OK, this page will reload. And when you go to the database and go to user has address, you all can see the data I added is already over here. So this is the process that we are going to do. So let's check what will happen when you change your profile image. So let's check. So when you click update profile image, you will go to a profile image selecting window. So when you go and click something, image, let's take an image from the downloads, and I will give this. So I will give this and give open. You will get the image like this. So when you go and update my profile again, it will reload and the image that you add is already over here. So for this, I have used another database as profile image, and when you go to here, you all can see with my user email, this profile that I add is already over here. So this is the process that we are going to do in the update my profile. So let's check what I have done in the backend code. So when you go to the VS Code in the user profile .php, I have given a button as update my profile. So we talked about these in my previous video. So in the update profile, I have given an on click as update profile. So let's check what I have done in the JavaScript side. So when you go up, you all can see update profile. So for these, I have given my IDs as fname, lname, mobile, line 1, line 2, such as I have given for every selectors and inputs, I have given an ID. I have also given a var f new form data and assigned these f names, the variables, to another value as fn, ln, m, l1, l2, likewise. So when I go down, you all can see this part. So this is the part where you can get your profile image. I have given if image.files.length equals 0, a var confirmation, that I have given a confirmation as a variable, and just to confirm, I have given, are you sure you don't want to update your profile image? Then, if it happens, they should tell, you have not selected any image. And if not, if it goes to the else, the f.append image.files should be 0. So the same thing that we did in the other videos also. So we should make a AJAX request so you can take the values from this to the update profile process. So it goes in the post method and it goes in the AJAX method. So I have given true. And while sending it, you should send the form data as it. So you won't understand these parts yet. So let's see what I have done in the update profile process, and let's go to here. So when I go to my update profile process, you all can see the PHP script, the session start, then I have required my connection.php, and I have given if ESET. So for these ESET, I have given my values as fn, ln, m, l1, l2. Likewise, I have given these values. And for the image, I have given if ESET $files image, the $image should be contained with the $file image. I have told another variable, so we don't talk in PHP as variables, so we give it a $sign. So I have given allowed image extensions, and when I have given an array as image JPG, image JPEG, image PNG, image SVG plus XML. So why did I put this SVG plus XML? So there are types of SVGs that are not supported for this. So this only supports for the SVGs that contains the XML. So for the $file X, I have told $image type. Then I have given an if else, and I have given in the if in not in array $file X allowed image extensions. Then they should tell echo, please select a valid image. So if they don't give something with these types, they should tell, please select a valid image. So if not, they should give, so I have given a global variable. So we don't tell it as a variable. So it is easy. That's why I told variable. So this is a $. So when you go from this $new file extension, when it goes to the if, it should have $file X should be equals to image JPG, and for the new file extension, .jpg should be added. Likewise, I have given for all of these else if ladders. So we talked about this else if ladder in my previous videos in the sign in and the sign up process. So the same thing is gonna happen, but the names of the file should be changed. But for the SVG, you should, in the else if, you should tell SVG plus XML. But for the new file extension, we should tell .svg. So when you go down, you can see the $file name, then resources profile image. So it should go to the profile image file that I have made over here. I'll show you. So when I go up, y'all can see this profile image. For the file, for this file, the $session u, the f name should go. That means the f name of the user should go. And after that, I have concat and unique ID and given the $new file extension. So this means the image that I add should go to the resource profile image, and while going to that, you should give your first name and a unique ID and .svg or png or jpeg or jpg. Then I have told move uploaded file to $image tmp name, that means temporary name, and $file name. Then I have given an image result set. So I have given $image rs and given these database search query. Then I have given image num and the num rows, and I have gone to an if and $image num is equals 1. This should happen. The update should be happening. So if not, it should be inserted. Okay. So when I go down from it, you all can see this database update query. So this update query, what it does is you can update your user F name as $F name and the user L name as $L name. Likewise for the mobile, $mobile, email, $session view, email. So for the address result set, I have given the same thing, but select all from user has address, where user add email is equals to $session user email. Then I have given a num rows. Then I have given an if as that. So for this if, I have given $address num is equals to 1. This update query should be happening. So if not, the insert query should be working. So I have given if this all stuff happens, if all stuff happens, an echo should come as success, as you can see over here. And if not, that means if not is set to you, that means if I'm not a user, that I'm really am. If you are not a user, the echo should come as please log in first. So this is it in the update profile process.php. So I told you that this success will be going to the script.js. So I have told if the response text, that means the last echo, if it's equals to success, the window.location should be reloaded. So when you reload it, the things that you update will be already reloaded and it will stay. Then if not, the alert T should come. That means please log in first should come. So that is it in this video. I hope you all understand it. So have a nice day and bye.